In the depths of your being lies a sanctuary of peace, a place of stillness and serenity. This is your true nature, always present, waiting to be discovered. Through the practice of guided meditation, you can access this inner oasis, finding solace and tranquility amidst life's storms. This journey inward begins with a conscious choice, a decision to turn your attention away from the busyness of the world and towards the quiet depths within. It is a journey of self-discovery, of reconnecting with your true essence, a journey that leads you home to yourself. Take a moment now to acknowledge your desire for inner peace. Feel the sincerity of your intention. This longing is the seed from which your practice will grow. Nurture it with patience and compassion. Allow yourself to be guided step by gentle step into the embrace of the present moment. As you embark on this journey, remember that you are not alone. Countless others have walked this path before you, finding solace and transformation along the way. Trust in the process, and know that with each breath, with each moment of presence, you are drawing closer to the peace you seek. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Sit comfortably, either on a cushion or a chair, with your spine straight but not stiff. Allow your shoulders to relax, your hands resting gently in your lap. Close your eyes softly. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension with each breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you settle into this moment. Your mind may wander, filled with thoughts, worries, or plans. Observe these thoughts without judgment. Simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Each time your mind strays, gently guide it back to the anchor of your breath. As you focus on your breath, feel the weight of your body grounding you to the earth. Feel the support of the chair or cushion beneath you. Let go of any tension in your muscles, allowing yourself to soften and surrender to this moment of stillness. Your breath is your constant companion, always present, always available to guide you back to the now. It is the bridge between your body and your mind, a tool to quiet the chatter and find stillness within. Focus your attention on the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Feel the coolness of the air entering your nostrils, the gentle expansion of your chest. Notice the warmth of your breath as you exhale, releasing any tension or stress. As you breathe, imagine that you are inhaling peace and tranquility. Feel these qualities filling your body with each breath. With each exhale, release any worries, fears, or anxieties. Let them go with the out-breath. Continue breathing deeply and consciously, allowing your breath to become your anchor to the present moment. Whenever you find yourself lost in thought, gently return your attention to the sensation of your breath. Your breath is always there, a constant reminder to let go and simply be. Now, guided by your breath, embark on a journey to a place of peace and tranquility within. Imagine a place in nature where you feel completely safe and at ease. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop, or any place that brings you a sense of calm and serenity. Picture yourself in this serene environment. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the gentle rustling of leaves, the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the birds singing sweetly in the trees. Breathe in the fresh air, feeling its purity cleanse and revitalize your body and mind. Notice the vibrant colors that surround you, the play of light and shadow. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, absorbing the beauty and peace of your surroundings. As you spend time in this peaceful place, affirm to yourself that you are safe, protected, and at peace. Repeat these words silently to yourself. I am safe. I am protected. I am at peace. Allow these affirmations to sink deep into your being, creating a sense of security and well-being. Words have power. The words you speak to yourself, whether silently or aloud, shape your reality. By repeating positive affirmations, you plant seeds of love, joy, and peace within your subconscious mind. These seeds will take root, blossom, and bear fruit in your life. As you continue to breathe deeply and relax in your peaceful place, begin to repeat positive affirmations to yourself. Choose affirmations that resonate with you, that inspire and empower you. Here are a few examples. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am strong, resilient, and full of life. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. Repeat these affirmations slowly and with feeling, allowing them to penetrate deep into your subconscious. As you do so, visualize yourself living these affirmations. See yourself as happy, successful, and fulfilled. As you repeat your affirmations, allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or worries about the future. Focus your attention on the here and now, on the beauty and perfection of this present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, the sounds around you. Observe the play of light and shadow, the colors and textures that surround you. Appreciate the simple gift of being alive in this moment. The present moment is all we ever have. It is the only place where life truly exists. By learning to embrace the present moment fully, we unlock the door to peace, joy, and fulfillment. Continue to rest in the stillness of this moment, allowing yourself to be fully present with whatever arises. Embrace the silence, the peace, the sense of wholeness that resides within you. Meditation is not just something you do for a few minutes each day. It is a way of being, a way of approaching life with awareness, presence, and compassion. As you continue to practice guided meditation, you will find that its benefits naturally extend into your daily life. You may notice that you become more patient, more understanding, and more compassionate towards yourself and others. You may find it easier to let go of stress and worry, to focus on the present moment, and to appreciate the simple joys of life. The key to integrating meditation into daily life is to make it a habit. Set aside a specific time each day for your practice, even if it's just for a few minutes. Find a quiet space where you can be alone without distractions, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Remember that meditation is a practice, not a performance. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Simply show up each day with an open heart and a willingness to be present. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Like any skill, meditation takes time and practice to develop. The more you meditate, the easier it will become to quiet your mind, access your inner peace, and experience the transformative benefits of this ancient practice. Regular meditation has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep, increase focus and concentration, and promote emotional well-being. It can help you develop greater self-awareness, cultivate compassion and kindness, and live a more mindful and fulfilling life. As you continue to practice, you may experience moments of resistance, doubt, or frustration. These are all natural parts of the process. Simply acknowledge these feelings without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Remember that the journey to inner peace is not a linear one. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns along the way, but with patience, perseverance, and a commitment to your practice, you will continue to move closer to your goal of lasting peace and happiness. As you deepen your meditation practice, you may find that your capacity for compassion and kindness naturally expands. Meditation helps us connect with our common humanity, recognizing that we all share the same basic desires for happiness, love, and peace. Practice extending this compassion to yourself first. Acknowledge your own suffering, your own struggles, and your own imperfections with kindness and understanding. Treat yourself with the same love and care that you would offer to a dear friend. As you cultivate self-compassion, you will find it easier to extend compassion to others. Practice seeing the world through the eyes of others, understanding their perspectives and offering them your kindness and support. Remember that everyone is fighting their own battles, facing their own challenges. By offering your compassion and kindness, you contribute to a more peaceful and loving world. Life is full of challenges. There will be times when you face difficulties, setbacks, and moments of despair. It is during these challenging times that your meditation practice can serve as a source of strength, resilience, and inner peace. When you find yourself facing a difficult situation, take a few moments to pause, breathe deeply, and connect with the present moment. Allow yourself to feel your emotions fully, without judgment or resistance. Remember that you are not your thoughts or your emotions, you are the awareness that observes them. By creating space between yourself and your thoughts, you gain a sense of perspective and clarity. As you meditate on your challenges, you may find that solutions arise more easily. You may discover inner resources and strengths that you never knew you possessed. Trust in your own wisdom and ability to navigate whatever life throws your way. The journey to inner peace is a lifelong adventure. It is a process of continuous learning, growth, and transformation. There is no final destination, no point at which you arrive at lasting peace and happiness. Embrace the journey itself, with all its twists and turns, its ups and downs. Approach your practice with patience, curiosity, and a sense of humor. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges, and never give up on your pursuit of inner peace. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. There are countless others who are walking the same path, seeking the same peace and fulfillment. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and support each other on your journeys. And above all, be kind to yourself. You are worthy of love, happiness, and inner peace. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and never stop exploring the depths of your own being.